Hello friends, let's start with the next tutorial, Reflection in Java. In case you want to see my previous tutorials, then I will give the link in description and you can refer that. Now, what is reflection? Java reflection is the process of examining or modifying the runtime behavior of a class at runtime, which means any method, any class you can create at runtime using Java reflection. Now, first point, create a class object using reflection in Java. How to create class object? Let's say you have a class student. Previously, how you used to create the object of the class? Student s1 equals to new student. Now, how to create the same using Java reflection? You will write class dot foname, then name of the class. It is saying you need to add exception in the here, class not found exception, in case the class is not found. Suppose if you write student1 and class is not found because student1 does not exist, so it can give you class not found exception. Now save it in class variable. Now you can do anything, like you want to print the class name, then how you can do it? System.out.println c.get name. Let's run this. Indeed, it is giving name of the class. Next, create instance using Java reflection. Now, how to create the instance of the Java class? That is very simple. You will write class dot new instance. It will give a new instance. Save it in object o equal to. This is how you create the instance of a class. Next, how to access private method using Java reflection. Suppose you have a method name string name in a class. You have a method name. All right, let's say private void get name. What it's saying, it is doing system.out.println private method. When you invoke the get name, then it is printing system private method. You know, private method cannot be invoked from outside the class, but using Java reflection we can do that. Yes. How to do that? Let's see. It is going to be very interesting because you will be able to access private method outside the class. This is one of your interview question as well. What you will do is you will write object of the class dot get declared method. You will give the method name. Method name is get name. There is no input. You will write null here. Now it will give you method type method. Now what you will do is you need to access the private method. How to do that? Method object dot set accessible true. Now you can access the private method as well. That's right. And how to call this method? Method object dot invoke. You will give the object of the class, which is the instance, comma null. There is no input parameter which is required, so null. Now let's run this. Indeed, system.out.println is printed here, which was inside the private method. So this is Java reflection. Well, I hope you liked the session. Do like and subscribe for more updates. Thank you.